Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. So I posted an easy makeup look and I got some feedback. Some people told me that my easy makeup look isn't actually easy for them. It made me realize that what I thought was easy might not be easy for some people. I know that the whole beauty industry could be so overwhelming because I definitely feel overwhelmed when I walk into Sephora or Olive Young and I'm trying to look for products, and there's so many brands and different types of products, so like I never know which one to get. So yes, beauty and this whole makeup and skincare can be so overwhelming. For people who are getting into makeup and starting makeup and, you know, trying out this whole beauty thing, I decided to create this video for you. So today I'm going to be creating different looks using a very simple palette. So for today I'm going to be using this palette. This is the Peripera Ink Pocket Shadow Palette. It comes with 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. So I thought this would be a good basic palette to start. So there are 2 shades where you could use it as a base shade or transition shade. Then there's a dark shade and then the shimmer. So I'm going to create different looks using this palette. Shall we start with the first one? Okay, so let's zoom in. So this first look is very natural, very basic. So always start with an eye primer. I used the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. So yeah, I used this one. I've used it for a long time and it worked pretty well for me. So there's that. Okay, so first I'm gonna grab a fluffy brush like this. And then I'm gonna go in with the light shade. And then very gently, I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Just like that. So as you can see, this one, you can see the 2 difference. And if you want to add more, you definitely can. So next, I'm gonna take another brush. It's kind of like another blending brush. And then go in with the pink shade. And again, very lightly, I'm gonna put it on the outer corner. Just like that. So you could see there's the pink here. Then whatever's left on my brush, I'm gonna put on the lower lash line. Then I like to go back with the blending brush and then blend everything out. There we go. You can see the difference. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. Why do I get caught up in all of your selfish games? All you do is hate on me like everything. And then I'm done. Well, not really. What I really like to do is highlight the inner corners. So I'm gonna take a really small brush. I'm gonna take the shimmer and then put it on the inner corners of my eyes. You could really notice the difference, right? This side looks a lot brighter than this side. So I'm done with the shadows, right? It is so easy. But you could curl your lashes now and put on mascara. But I like to line my eyes because I don't have lashes. So it just makes it look like I have fuller lashes and my eyes just look more defined. So I'm gonna grab a liner brush, just like this little guy. And then I'm gonna take just a dark brown shadow. It doesn't matter, it could be any dark shadow. You don't have to use powder. You could use liquid, you could use gel, you could use whatever you feel comfortable with. Personally, I just like shadow because it's very easy to use and it looks more softer than liquid or pencil or gel. So what I like to do is take my brush, load it up with my powder, and kind of wiggle into my lash line. So let me show you how I do it. Yeah, just wiggle it in there. But I don't really do many things bad. like that. See, you can really see a difference with this. And then what I like to do is just give a little flick. Just like that. My cat eye looks different every day, so if yours look different every day, then that's okay, because mine, they're different every single day. Sometimes they're not even. But who's really checking up on you? Now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. This is the first look. How is it? Like I said before, this is super natural. It's kind of like, no, I was gonna say it's like makeup, but no makeup, but this is makeup. But it's very natural makeup. I like to do this when I'm on the go and I don't have time, or when I'm just feeling super lazy but still want to look kind of put together. So yeah, here's this look. So moving on to the second look. With the second look, I'm not gonna erase this because I'm gonna kind of add more onto this. First, what I'm gonna do is, you know, I have the base on already. I'm gonna take just a shadow brush and go into the pink shade and put the pink shade all over my eyelids. So with the first one, it was a lighter shade, that was the base color, but this time I'm going in with the pink shade as my base shade. Again, I'm gonna put this all over my eyelids, just like that, so you can see the difference. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and then whatever is left on the brush, put it on the lower lash line. So now, after the pink shade, I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush, and I'm gonna go in with the dark shade, the shade right here, and I'm gonna put the dark shade on the outer corner. So it's kind of like the same one as my first look, except I'm using darker colors. So as you could see, it's pretty much the first look except just darker. And then whatever's left on the brush, I'm gonna put it on the lower lash line. Also, don't forget to always blend your eyeshadow so that it just looks more put together, so you don't look crazy. So yeah, always blend. Now you could end it here like this, but I'm gonna have fun with it, and I'm gonna put the shimmer on the inner part of my eyes. I'm gonna again take another, like a shadow brush, and then go in with the shimmer. And with shimmer shades, I like to just press it onto my eyelids. And then here is the second look. Same as the first one, but just a little bit darker and more shimmery. Moving on to the third makeup look. This is more of the halo look, but not intense, nothing too crazy, just a very natural halo look. So again, start with prime eyelids, and I'm gonna take the same fluffy brush, go in with the light shade, and I'm gonna put this all over my eyelid. Okay, after that, I'm gonna take a shadow brush and go in with the pink shade, and I'm gonna put this all over my eyelids. So you have your transition shade, your base shade, and then I'm gonna take the same pencil brush. I'm gonna go in with the dark, so I'm gonna go in with this color. On the second look, I deepen the outer corner. With this look, I'm gonna deepen the outer corner and lightly deepen the inner corner. Make sure to blend, because if you don't blend, it looks crazy. So just like this. As you can see, I darken the inner and the outer. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Now, you could end it here, just line and put on mascara. But I don't know why, but I like to use all the shades here. So you can take the shimmer with the same shimmer brush and put it on the middle. I like to do that because I think it's more fun And I don't know, it's always fun to have some sparkles on your eyes, so I like doing that. Now I'm gonna liner and put on mascara. So this is my third look. This is just light natural halo makeup look. And for my final look before my eyelids burn off, it's gonna be more of a gradual look. So it's gonna be dark and it's gonna go lighter up. Let's just get right into it. Again, same as always, fluffy brush, light shade all over the eyelid. Next, shadow brush, going in with the pink shade. And I'm gonna put this color all over my lids. And then I'm gonna put some on the lower lash line. And then lastly, I'm gonna take the same shadow brush and I'm gonna go in with the dark shade. And this time, instead of putting it on the corners, I'm gonna put it all over my eyelids, but more closer to my lash line. And whatever is on the brush, I'm gonna put it on the lower lash line. So here's the final look. To be honest with you, since I have Asian eyes, they all look kind of same. But you know, I like to believe that they look different. So these are the 4 looks that I like to create with my really simple eyeshadow palette. This is kind of what I do with every palette that I own, but just different colors. So yeah, this is the look. So those were the 4 looks I like to create using a very simple palette. It's kind of what I do with all of my palettes, but just with different colors. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful, hopefully more helpful than my last one. And yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye!